Hey y'all, today I partnered with Spirit Halloween to show y'all how I got this beautiful butterfly queen inspired look using some of their products. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off with my base already done and I'm jumping right into eyeshadow. I was really inspired by Spirit's inflatable wings, so I want to emphasize that color story within the eyeshadow using different tones of blues, pinks, and purples. After everything's all blended out, I'm next taking Spirit's 24 glitter palette and I'm packing a few of those shades on the inner portion of my eyes. I started with some of the purple glitters and I ended up using some pinks and greens as well to add dimension to the look. I then took some of those same shadows I used on the eyes as blush and I blended it out with the edges of my eyeshadow look to really blow out this smoky eye. Here I'm just outlining the butterfly wing shape I want to achieve before going in with paint. Next, I'm taking Spirit's cream palette along with a few other colors I had, and I start applying the color until it's opaque. I then took a sponge and I started pouncing the edges of those colors, blending it into this ombre effect. It helps to have a bit of a mixed shade of those two colors on your sponge to further aid in blending them out. I then set all the cream with powder just so nothing moves throughout the night. Then, using a black water based paint, I start to outline my butterfly wing and add detailing. Taking some of the shadows I used on the eyes, I start to shade the butterfly wing to give it depth and make it look more realistic. After creating those shadows, I then start highlighting using a white eyeshadow. I begin packing it in the areas where I envision light hitting, and this just brings the whole wing to life. I then use a white water-based paint to create the eye spots on the bottom part of the wing. To finish off the face, I highlighted then threw on a nude lip topped with purple gloss to match the entire aesthetic of this look. Lastly, I used Spirit's eyelash adhesive to apply my lashes. This is the final look, y'all. You can find products I use for this look at any local Spirit Halloween store. In the caption below, you'll find an exclusive coupon for 20% off of any item at Spirit, so you can find items to create your perfect Halloween look.